everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, viewers, wherever you are. Some people go say, do what I say, but don't do what I do. But most people, when they use that word, say, do what I say, don't do what I do, you have to be very careful with them. My very good friends, when we don't dey play come from years. So one day, we just get one small misunderstanding. This one na friend wey people dey call sister to me. Sometimes people go call me outside say, they see my sister or then they look for my sister. I will give them direction, say see where she dey or see where she dey, wetin she dey do. So to show how close we dey, because we build our relationship so close. But the other side of her, I don't know. The other side of her, I don't fit talk anything about. The only thing I know, the good side of her. This na person. If she need my help, come sun, come rain, I ready to offer am any help, anything she asks for, I ready to give her. Where she dey, I dey always present there. And where I dey, she dey always present. If something no happen, I for no know who this my girlfriend or wetin she get against me. So there was one day, somebody offer me job to take just this job, na just temporary something, not just maybe 1 or 2 days to do this thing and to help. Something like, I don't know how I will take classify this thing. Just 3 days work. So I called my girlfriend. I said, look, how I will fit do this thing now? The time, make the time not dey against me. I explained to this my girlfriend all these things. Say, look, if I finish from my real job, see wetin I wan go do. So my girlfriend, I don't know, say this thing pull her to make her get something against me. So the very day I won't present, and she was very happy to know, say, see, I won't do this thing. The very day when I won't present, I surprised they turned me down. They said, no, somebody else don't take up the job, because like they said, I refused this thing for the first time. And now, you know, they refuse this thing. This one I work on a job, just not forever, just only 3 days. Who take this job? My very good friend. Take this job, give am to somebody else again. This is not possible. When I hear this, I say, no, it's not possible. But you know, they say good names are better than riches. So I go back, I call my girlfriend, I say, look, I said, see what happened. I reach this place, they refuse me, they turn me down. They say, no, say somebody else don't take up, say because I say I don't get chance, and they work, which are, you know, just long talk like that. When who I see they work for the place, now room or flatmate to my very good friends. My friend don't know say I go present there, I will still present there. So at the long last, they can't accept it. Make 2 of us, just make we do the thing, make we do the work. So we finish the job, just everything for that day alone. So the next day, they ask the other lady not to come. So, like I said, if you with friend or person no get misunderstanding, you no go know the other side of that person, and whether the person good to you or he bad to you, you no go know. So I take understand this very girl. So this girl explained to me, say, see who introduced her, how she take present for that place. My very good friend who I called sister. So life is not like that. Goodness are better than riches. Not betray just say because you want make name. Not turn round or bite the finger wey feed you just because you need something from the other person. So this is what my girlfriend, who I call sister, did to me. Two brothers, they call themselves brothers, but they are friends. They are very good friends. They traveled all the way from Africa to Europe. When they reached here, just because of a lady, both of them, they started fighting. Fighting for what? Fighting themselves just because of a lady. If you trust your friend and you like your friend, why you go betray? To tell this one, say, see what this one they do for Africa before he come. See this one with lies, everything. Now so he get wife for home. Now he don't come here. He won't. Why should you betray your friend? Why should you? All these things no, they make sense. It don't make sense to me. Just because you want their position where your friend don't dey. Look for your own outside. Look for your own, and maybe around. If I get, if as we be friends, through me you fit get, or through you I fit get. But why should you betray your friend with lies just because you want that thing? That will not help you. If you only destroy your relationship with your friend or with your brother or with whoever. So this thing not doing too nice. Just because you want everything for yourself. Work with it. If you find something, work towards the thing. Not betray your friend because of lies. Because you want the thing where your friend get, where you not get. You think that thing will help you? If problem not there, you not gonna know who that person be to you or who sit by your side. You will never know who she be or who he be. You will never know. Sometimes some people they talk for public. Why? If they say me them talk to betray who they close to them. Now that thing go come their mind, and when that thing come their mind, you feel say that way you betray your friend, you think that will make you happy, or that go make you achieve what you define. That will never bring happiness to you. That will never. At the end, you don't destroy everything. You don't destroy everything just because you want make people they listen to you, and today watch wetin you dey do, but not wetin you dey talk. I mean, not wetin you dey do. So viewers, thanks for watching my video. If na the very first time you dey watch my video, just give me thumb. Share my video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.